Zach Saylor. I'm from Peru, Indiana. My company is the Wiper Group, and we sell wiper packs. Wiper pack is really a way of making windshield wiper replacements easier for customers. It's custom made for the car, so it includes the two right length wiper blades. They have custom connectors for easy installation, and instead of replacing the whole wiper blade when they wear out, you can just get a refill pack to replace the rubber insert. So instead of changing out your whole wiper blade each time, a customer can come back and spend less money but get the same level of quality with just a rubber refill. The benefit to the consumer is the whole service itself, from the point of purchasing the wipers to the installation process. We try to streamline that as much as possible to make every step easy. So when a customer goes to my website, all they have to do is enter in their vehicle, and they'll be directed to a page that has the right windshield wipers for their car. So there's only one option, which we believe is the best option to be affordable and easy to put on your vehicle. I would say this is the next big idea for the auto industry because there's a lot of unique parts out there, but windshield wipers are something that everybody needs. Anybody that owns a vehicle can benefit from this process and this service. So I'm a mechanical engineer by trade, so I really like to make new things. This company for me is an opportunity to bring something new out into the marketplace and hopefully have the impact of making this chore a little bit easier for people.